Hello again, YouTube. It is Saturday morning and Chun is at work. Chun just went to work. I was working yesterday, but it is day 3, 2.5 of working on these boots. I've got a photo shoot coming up and I just decided that I wanted kind of like a statement pair of boots, like, because I've got a lot of vintage shoes. I've got some menswear shoes, but I feel like it's always kind of the same thing, so I just wanted something, I don't know, something with a heel, like a tall boot, something a bit more like, I don't know. So I got these secondhand boots. I'll show the little video here. And then I've got all these vintage like buttons that I got off eBay that I've had for ages. I've got like a couple bags of these, so I was like, oh, I'll cover. Super easy, I'll just cover the boots with buttons. And it's not super easy. Well, it is easy, but it's just taking ages. But also, I don't even know if I like it. I put some eyelets in it as well. I'm gonna put some like ties or big ribbons or something on it and kind of like scrunch the boots so they'll look more like that. I don't know if I like it, but I'm in it this far, so this boot's almost done. I just need to do I'm hoping that like on film it won't look quite as messy, like, because if you look at it in person it looks not great. But I think maybe I'm just being a bit too picky about it, and I think on film, because if I'm holding up to the camera now, I'm seeing that you can't really see the things, can you? But I think on film, you know, if she's standing really far away and the model is really hot and the outfit is great and everything else is good, that maybe people won't focus on the little bits of glue. It's not like I'm selling these or anything, so they're not supposed to be like perfect anyways, but anyways, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm watching some anime, sitting, getting covered in glue. And I'll show you my workspace as well. It's really messy. I've taken over Chun's desk. I've put his stuff on the floor. Sorry, Chun. And the photo shoot's end of next week, and there's still some little bits that I want to make for the photo shoot to have like a couple new things, so it's not just the exact same thing over and over again. But I don't really know if I'm being realistic with that, because I thought these boots would take like a day, and this is like day 3. So I don't know, but that's what I'm doing anyways. I'm ranting. It's really cold out today. It feels like autumn. I'm quite sad about it, but also it's kind of nice. Feels like a fresh start in a way. I don't know. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today, and I'll update you on the boots. Also, I've just realized why I'm showing you this. This is not a can of beer. I'm not drinking. I got Chun some Guinness chocolates, and Chun likes the tin. Oh my god, it's so dusty. Chun, dust your desk. But yeah, so this is what my phone was on. I'm not drinking a beer. It's a can. Okay, bye. Okay, quick update. They're done, sort of. They have all the buttons on. I'm not adding any more. I can't do it anymore. I'm done. They're cute. I think I would like to like actually produce boots like this, but it would mean having to sew them into leather, and that's just not happening. But so yeah, that's done. The room is a mess. It's like 3 in the afternoon now, so I'm gonna have a quick little matcha break, put Chun's desk back so that he can use it when he comes home, and I don't know, maybe go to I feel like I should go to the studio to do some drafting for a garment that I want to do, but I just really don't want to go to the studio today. My back really hurts now. I'm in a lot of pain, but maybe I should just go. I don't know. Matcha break first and then I'll decide. everyone, it is Friday afternoon, the day before I have a photo shoot planned. So I'm just getting everything ready for that today. Again, it's not like a new collection or anything, so it's not, there's not, I don't know what I'm saying. It's not a new collection, but there are a couple new pieces. I've spent the last couple of days in the studio making maybe 3 new pieces I think are in this, and then it's got some pieces within the last few months that I've made and haven't really properly photographed them, like the ones that are in the store in London. So I can finally get some like good images of some pieces that are already out. And then I'm actually using some pieces from the last 2 collections kind of mixed together. So I think it's more just kind of like a refresh, and yeah, a chance to get some images of some things that I'm not happy with the images that I have of them at the moment. And yeah, just some new pieces that I kind of want to test out, see what people think about them, how they look. Yeah, so that's it. I've been in the studio, and now today I'm just kind of getting everything prepped and ready to go. I'm styling it myself, which I find really stressful because I'm not a stylist really, so I do find it a bit stressful, but it's also kind of fun to like, you know, do something new with the pieces that I designed, you know, style them in the way that I didn't originally design them. But it's mostly just stressful because I don't own a lot. Like I've now got like a surplus of interesting shoes and bags and all these things to kind of mix in. So it's really just trying to figure out how to work with what I have between vintage accessories that I own and the pieces that I made. But that's the challenge. Oh, and I got jewelry from a really cool jewelry designer here in London who reached out. I put a call out on Instagram for someone and someone replied. So I've got some cool jewelry. But yeah, so I figured I'll show everyone the process of kind of today, the prep, and tomorrow, and how everything goes, and hopefully it goes good. Yeah, so I'll show, this is what I've got so far. So I've got all the garments here. I took them home from the studio last night. Along with this rail that the screws are missing, so it is being held together with tape. I don't think it will fall over. It'd be super embarrassing if it does, but anyways, these are the pieces. I don't think I'll use all of them, but I brought home what I know I want to use and some extra. So I just have to go through and kind of like finish up. So like everything's sewn together, but like these need all the laces put in, which is going to take ages, so I'll probably watch some anime while I do that. And then I've got all the like styling bits here, and then like I got these socks and ripped them up. I saw a Pinterest photo with like distressed socks and I thought it looked cool, so I was like, oh, I'll do that. Don't know how it will look, but that's what I did this morning, was just like ripping up socks. And I've got some tights, some different color socks because I'm not really sure what I'm going to do yet. But I got all of these, and if anyone's wondering like, Emma, why don't you have any food for dinner? It's because of socks for other people. I've also got, let's see what's in the bag. I've got the jewelry from the jewelry designer, which I won't take out because it's someone else's work and I don't want to lose anything, so it's staying in the box until I need it. Got some film ready for tomorrow. And yeah, then the boots that I made. I cleaned the whole flat as well, so it's all clean now, but I've got the boots that I've made, so everything is kind of ready. I just need to decide like what goes with what, which I've written it down and I have an idea in my head, but I'm not sure. I also took some time last night to redo some of the mood boards, mainly just the hair and makeup one, because the original ones were kind of vague and not really good. So I narrowed down kind of what I wanted, spoke with the hair and makeup artist, and so we got a better direction. And what I do need to do today is go over more of like pose references. Once I have the looks decided, I can then kind of have more of a direction of like what look I want photographed where, or how I want it photographed, and like make kind of like that key list of all the shots that I really want to make sure that we get. So that is something that I have to do, but I'm gonna finish this mess first and then do this tonight. That's it. Okay, bye.